Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in East Canton, Ohio, and home of the Barbco Corporation. A leader in the underground construction industry, Barbco is a worldwide manufacturer of auger boring machines, directional drills, guided boring machines, and advanced tunneling equipment. After many years of experience in the industry, founder James S. Barbera founded Barbco nearly 35 years ago. With a small machine shop in Twinsburg, Ohio, his commitment to building quality products and delivering exceptional customer service solidified the company's position as a leader in the underground construction industry. Today, Barbco serves customers across a variety of industries, from oil and gas companies to public utility contractors. Designed to exceed your expectations, their machines pack powerful performance, long-lasting reliability to meet your toughest challenges. As underground manufacturing specialists, they offer custom drilling, boring, and tunneling equipment to fit your individual project needs. With their U.S. patent-awarded FlexBoard technology, Barbco's technology and engineering are always cutting edge and are always looking to lead the industry forward. Their machines are the most durable and reliable their customers have ever used in the trenchless excavation industry. Barbco maintains a commitment to quality products and exceptional customer service. Over the years, they have expanded their operations and refined their manufacturing capabilities. Now, with their headquarters located in East Canton, Ohio, and several Barbco representatives and dealers strategically in place around the world, Barbco can now serve domestic and international clients more effectively. Come visit Barbco today at barbco.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.